Hello and welcome to Wolver Channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own cryptocurrency token from scratch, whether for a project, a business, or just for fun, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of creating, deploying, and managing your own token on any blockchain you want, except Solana. We'll cover that in another video. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Your support helps me keep making these tutorials. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your environment. First, you'll need a development environment where you can write and deploy your smart contract. For this tutorial, we'll be using Remix IDE, one of the best and easiest tools for Ethereum and EVM compatible blockchains. Open your browser, Chrome or Firefox recommend it. Go to remix.eth or just search Remix IDE if you prefer. Why Remix? It's free, browser-based, and doesn't require installations, making it perfect for beginners. Once Remix loads, you'll see different panels. We'll focus on the File Explorer, Compiler, and Deploy tabs. Step 2. Creating your smart contract file. Now let's create the actual token contract. In Remix, go to the File Explorer tab, left sidebar. Click the New File button, and name it something like mytoken.sol. Sol stands for Solidity, the programming language for Ethereum smart contracts. Paste your token's smart contract code into this file. Don't have a contract? No worries. DM me on Telegram. Link in the description. And I'll send you a ready-to-use, secure, and audited contract that you can customize. Pro tip: always double-check contract code from unknown sources to avoid scams. I only provide tested and safe templates. Step 3. Compiling your smart contract. Before deploying, we need to compile the contract, convert it into machine-readable code. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab. The icon looks like a little cube. Make sure the compiler version matches the one specified in your contract, usually at the top, like Pragma Solidity Circumflex 0, 8.0. Click Compile my token.sol. Success! Green checkmark, success! Red error, check for typos or missing brackets. Step 4. Deploying your token. Now, the most exciting part, deploying your token to the blockchain. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, etc. To Remix, go to the Deploy Run Transactions tab. Under Environment, select Injected Provider. This connects to MetaMask. Approve the connection in your wallet. Select the blockchain you want to deploy on. Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Polygon, Matic, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, etc. Make sure your wallet is set to the right network. Adjust deployment settings. Gas fee, higher fees, faster deployment. Check gas tracker for current rates. Initial supply. How many tokens will exist? For example, 1 million. Token symbol. Short name, for example, Wolv MIT. Token name. Full name, for example, Wolver token. Deploy. Click Deploy or Transact. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait for the blockchain to process it, usually under a minute. Boom. Your token is now live on the blockchain. Step 5. Adding your token to a wallet. Now that your token exists, you'll want to see and manage it in your wallet. Find your contract address. After deployment, Remix will show a log. Copy the contract address starts with 0xr. Import the token into MetaMask or any wallet. Open MetaMask. Click Import Tokens. Paste the contract address. The symbol and decimals should autofill. Click Add Custom Token. Done. Now you can send, receive, and track your token like any other cryptocurrency. Bonus tips warnings. Be careful. Never share your private key or seed phrase. Double-check contract addresses. Scammers make fake ones. Want more? Custom features. Minting, staking, taxes. Need help with security audits? Want a full DEX listing tutorial? Message me on Telegram, link below, and I'll help you take your token to the next level.